Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video, we are hooking up a classy crochet granny square designs ideas. Hope you like this video and different collection. So please watch this video till end and please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload next video about your comment. Get ready to create a timeless and cozy accessories with our granny square ideas in different designs. So please watch this video till then, and in this video we will be making us beautiful and crochet colored themed granny square designs ideas using yarn and different techniques. Hope you like this video in different collection. Learn how to crochet this stunning granny square to add a touch of handmade charm to your home decor. So let's get started with new and trendy style granny square patterns ideas. First up, let's start with the foundation chain. Next, we will be using a multiple of number and different stitches and yarn. Now let's add the round pattern and make these all the beautiful granny square easily. We'll be using a combination of stitches, double crochet stitches and single crochet stitches, and make this all the granny square easily. And that's it, your beautiful and lovely look crochet granny square is complete and ready to use. You attach this all the granny square with the help of different needles, yarn. You make a very beautiful granny square and attach with each other with the help of different yarn color and needle, and make a very beautiful granny square blanket, granny square baby frocks, bags, and many other accessories. You use these all the granny square and make everything else. Share your finished granny square with us on different social media accounts using hashtag. Check out our next more videos about home decor and different accessories ideas. If you want more information, so please visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas about home decoration ideas, different videos and different tutorials. Thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe for more crochet ideas, different videos and different tutorials. Happy hooking. We'll be seeing you in the next video. Hope you like this different collection and different patterns ideas. And if you want to buy these, you visit many different websites such as Daraz.pk, AliExpress, Etsy.com, Clicky, and my official website BePatron. You visit and order your favorite design and pattern ideas. See you in the next video. Okay viewers, take care. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.